Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about our date formats. Like we have a date format in Excel here, so how we can use them and keep them in a better date format. So like suppose if I will click over this and go to journal and change this to long date. So now what you will see, like we are able to change these dates because they are first we have a month, day, then month and then your year. But in this case we have month first, they are in US format. So month first, then your date and then your year. And we are not able to change them into the date format, but we are able to change them these days. So how we can do that? If I will control that, I will go back, I will show you again long date. So only these dates will be converted. So what we can do for that? So for that, to keep them in aligned format and in a same format, what we will do, we will go to data from here, and then from data I will go from table range. So we have a table here, I will click on table range and just select this table and my table as a header. So it's selected all table, or instead what I will do, I will click just over this date only, and then I will click over this from table range. So it automatically select the table. So it will say take like this date is a header and the other thing are its elements in it, and just click over it. Okay. So now we will go to the Power Query. So it will open a Power Query editor for us, and in this Power Query editor we will have this date now. Now if you want to change this, so what we can do, if you will go from here, from here in this in ABC where it is written like it is in a text format, and if we will convert it into date, still it's giving error in others date where we have a month first. So what we will do, I will just remove this tab and then again go here, and here we have a use locate. So I will go to use locate from here, and then a window will appear in few seconds, and then from here text I will take your date, and in locale I will take your US date because this format is of US. So from here I have to select the US, just go down and select where we have a US date. So it's Italian because this date is in the American format, so we have to select the US. So just keep it here and just start it looking for US date. Here we have, so like United Kingdom, United States is there. I will just select this and press OK. Now we have a date in the format, right format. So what we will do, I will go here, close and load if you want in the new table, and if you want in the same sheet, I will close and load to table existing. Just remove this and just click over this and now press OK. So now we have a Power Query formatted date with us where we have all the details. So whatever date we will put here, now let's see if I will put some date here, like first of all 1/18/22, and then I will go here and right click and refresh it. So now we have a formatted date here. So that's all on this video. Thank you very much for watching.